Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are getting the same error message as I am when trying to run this service, MySQL, you get this nasty error message. The really easy way to fix this error message is by going to the Explorer and opening MySQL. Now, very important, go to backup folder and select everything except for this file, IB data1, because this is the file where everything is contained. So then go to the data and replace everything that you have here. Now this is the most important file, which contains all the databases that you currently have. If you delete this file, your databases are gone. So make sure that you don't overwrite this file. But let's copy everything that we've copied from the backup folder and replace. Let's rerun this command and see everything is working. That was it guys, easy. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos.